Hi there, welcome to Kanyarwanda History Channel, your gateway to the history of Rwanda. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the restoration and consolidation of the monarchy in Rwanda. Please stay tuned to the end. King Ruganzu Ndoli is remembered as one of the most legendary kings of the Abanyiginya lineage. His reign marked the restoration of the monarchy and the creation of enduring institutions. Origins and return. Ndoli was the son of King the hero Cyilima. To protect him, his father entrusted him to his aunt Nyabanyana, wife of Karema and Dagra, king of Karagwe. After the hero's death, loyal supporters organized Ndoli's secret return to Rwanda. The slogan for his return was, Sindashine Mamfangirayanjai Kubanduran Ndoli and the hero, I am not tired but hungry, give me food and drink so I can bring back Ndoli, son of the hero. Achievements: restored the monarchy and inaugurated the sacred Kalinga dynastic drum. Defeated Binshi, son of Bamara, and conquered regions such as Ndaga, Rukoma, Muyaga, Kabagari, and Marandra. Organized the army by creating the Ibisumitsi militia and the Mivimi. Introduced new royal drums, including Nanamadambu, Karagwe, and Bariba. Expanded Rwanda's territory by conquering Bunyabango, Bugra, Buthambera, and Ili Island. Established institutions such as Itorero, training schools, and Ubuhake, Cleonship, which became pillars of royal authority. King Mutara I Semugeshi, 1608 Mutara I, son of Ruganzu Ndoli, annexed the state of Abinengwe, including Bangwe, Bufundu and parts of Bizanza. His reign consolidated Rwanda's territorial expansion. King Kigeri II Nyamuheshera, 1672 Kigeri II, was a formidable warrior who relied on a professional army known as Inkingi, pillars. He annexed Ruganzu, Basozo, and Kanyarwanda, and reclaimed Ndoli for Rwanda. King Mibambwe II Karagwe Gisanura, 1696 Mibambwe Gisanura, is remembered not for conquest but for generosity. Nicknamed Rugabishabarenge, one who donates even with his feet, he became a symbol of justice and compassion. His reign is associated with the famous Kigeri rock story, which emphasized fairness in judgment. The Great Expansion from King Cyilima Rujugira to King Kigeri Rwabugiri. King Cyilima Rujugira dominated the 18th century through military reforms, wars of conquest, and administrative innovations. Introduced poisoned arrows, the bushel, and established marching camps in Gerero to defend borders. Created defensive military camps along the Akanyaru River against Burundi. Conquered Baganza, Gisaka, and Ndoli, annexing them into Rwanda. His reign marked Rwanda's transformation into a powerful military state. King Kigeri Ndabarasa succeeded Rujugira peacefully, thanks to his father's strong army and his own military skill. Conquered Ndoli, killing King Rwanda, and extended Rwanda's influence into Ankole. Attacked Mabari, annexing it temporarily, before drought led to its decline. Expanded Rwanda's eastern frontier up to the Akagera River. King Mibambwe Sentabyo, d. 1741 Mibambwe Sentabyo annexed northern Bugsra. His reign ended prematurely due to smallpox, leaving his infant son, Yuhi as heir. King Yuhi Gandiro's long reign was marked by administrative reforms, cultural development, and military campaigns. Organized new militias, Imituyungabo. Fought Burundi, Gisaka, Murari, Bund, and Karagwe. Introduced Amazina Yonka, cow poetry enriching Rwanda's literary tradition. King Mutara I annexed Gisaka in the early 19th century. His reign, however, was troubled by internal conflicts. He died of tuberculosis around 1867, and his mother, Queen Nyiramavago Nairamandi, was assassinated after refusing to commit ritual suicide. King Kigeri Rwabugiri's reign, mid-19th century, marked the peak of Rwanda's territorial expansion. Conquered Iwi Island, Bushi, Bufumbira, and parts of Angkor. Established royal residences across Rwanda and distributed cattle to secure loyalty. Consolidated newly annexed territories through military occupation. Initiated contact with external powers, including Arab traders and Belgian colonizers. By the time of his death in 1895, Rwanda had reached its greatest territorial extent, stretching from Lake Kivu and Rujugira in the west to Akagera in the east. His reign left Rwanda both admired and feared by its neighbors.